Hello, my name is Alejandro Booth, and today we're going to be talking about the North Korean military aggression and sanctions against North Korea. Currently, North Korean military aggression is of a huge concern to American and South Korean regional security and interest. Military confrontation at a small and large scale are inevitable under current political relations with Kim Jong-un. Korean War Armistice Agreement was signed in 1953, July 27th, which stopped military aggression between the countries of South Korea, North Korea, and United States. This also thus created the 38th parallel demilitarized zone known as the DMZ. Premier Kim Il-sung's speech to the Korean workers, which was given in 1966, October 5th, is key to see what's been happening as a trend since then. It gives warnings of a status quo that's going to change, that's going to be more intertwined with the Vietnam tactics in order to drain the United States militarily. And also, we've seen since the 1953 Armistice Agreement repeated violations on behalf of North Korea, especially between 1966 to 1970. These 4 years saw a huge increase of guerrilla tactics. Also, since 1953, we've seen ongoing aggression on behalf of North Korea towards South Korea forces and American forces. We've seen ambush of patrols, assassination, attacks on civilian populace, military engagements along the DMZ, sabotage, espionage, electronic warfare, and also naval and submarine engagements. Since the 1990s, North Korea has frequently threatened to remove itself from the Armistice Agreement, and on March 2013, North Korea held true to this promise by removing itself from it. Now, it didn't do this publicly in front of the United Nations Council, but it said this in media to its populace. Also, since then, we've seen North Korea take more aggressive acts like removing itself from the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty on January 2003. And since then, it has conducted 3 known nuclear weapons tests, and each is achieving a stronger yield every time. The dates for these weapons tests are on October 2006, May 2009, and most recently February 2013. Also, we see North Korea conducting yearly military drills which are aimed at the United States and South Korea specifically. Also, we see North Korea continuing to threaten Japan and South Korea and the United States with nuclear weapons. Intelligence currently suggests that they have 4 to 8 nuclear missiles at their disposal, and with a maximum effective range of 15,000 kilometers. And now moving on to the sanctions against North Korea. Economic sanctions have been in place since 1950 due to its attack on South Korea, and they've intensified since then. Also, since the 2006 nuclear test, this provoked the International Committee to impose stricter sanctions, mostly aimed at crippling their economical, nuclear, and also technological military capabilities. It has made different UN resolutions like 1718 to stop technological materials arriving to North Korea, as well as luxury goods. And also UN Resolution 1695, which condemns the Democratic People's Republic of Korea for its nuclear weapons program. And also, like as mentioned before, freezing of the financial assets has been key to crippling the economy of North Korea without affecting or burdening the actual populace while remaining, by leaving infrastructure to support the populace of North Korea. And that would conclude my North Korea military aggression and sanctions against North Korea report. Thank you for your time.